Once you've set up some services and an order form, you can test placing an order to get an idea of the workflow for a customer. Firstly, you'll need to connect a payment processor. Head over to Integrations and choose the processor you'd like to add. You can also test the order process without a payment step. You'll just need to create a service with a price of 0. For now, we've activated Stripe and PayPal. Make sure to connect Stripe in test mode and set your Stripe account to test mode too. If you want to test PayPal, you'll need to create a PayPal Sandbox account. Check out our Help Center or PayPal directly for how to do so. You'll also want to put SPP in test mode too. Head over to Settings and then Payments and make sure test mode is ticked. Now, head over to Order Forms. Click the 3-dot icon on the right-hand side of the order form you'd like to test and click View. From here, you can place an order just like a customer. Select a service and fill in any information that's required. For payment method for Stripe, you can enter a test card number. These are available on the Stripe website. Hit Complete Purchase. And that's it. We're now shown the payment receipt and we can continue to the client portal just like a real customer. If you click the top right and click back to admin, you'll be able to see the order in your main dashboard. If you have any trouble testing your orders, just let us know and we'll be more than happy to help.